Hello and welcome, my ukulele friends. Today I'm going to share my top ukulele YouTube hacks to help make your learning journey so much better. It's actually going to help improve your whole YouTube experience. So I hope if you get value out of this, that you can give this video a like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss future lessons. Let's get started.
Hack 1.
So to start with, there's timestamps, which I'll use in this video so that if there's anything you already know, you can actually skip ahead to the information that's new to you.
These sections are called chapters.
And this isn't on every single video. It depends on whether the creator has included it or not. But to find the timestamps, just click on the screen.
Then click on this little arrow and a list of all the chapters will pop up.
And you'll see the little red timeline down the bottom. And on that timeline, it'll be actually separated into segments,
which shows all the chapters of the video.
So if you're watching any video and you're like, oh, I've learnt this bit, just get to the part I need to know about, you can just click to the next segment or the one that's relevant to you and get to the bulk of what you want to learn. You can also create your own timestamps by commenting. So you might write 01:10 and it would come up as a timestamp. So you can click that later and it would take you to 1:10 in the video.
I'll be releasing my next YouTube hack really soon, so if you're not already subscribed, don't forget to do that and ring the bells so you get notified when the next video is released. Once it has been released, you'll see it here in the end screen, so just click that video and keep on watching.